हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान जागरण कोचिंग सेंटर। प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट क्लास 8 क्वेश्चंस फाइंड द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट on rupees 25,000 for 3 years at 10% per annum at 10% per annum compound annually solution principal for the first year equal to 25,000 interest for the first year equal to 25,000 multiply 10 multiply 1 और by 100 equal to 2500 amount at the end of the first year amount at the end of the first year 25,000 plus 2500 equal to 27,500 principal for the second year principal for the second year 27,500 interest for the second year equal to 27,500 multiply 10 multiply 1 और by 100 ये आपका ख़त्म हो गया इक्वल टू 2,750 amount at the end of the second year equal to 27,500 plus 2,750 equal to 30,250 30,250 principal for the third year, principal for the third year is equal to 30,250 30,250 interest for the third year, for the third year is equal to 30,250 multiply 10 multiply 1 by 100 is equal to 3025 amount at the end of the third year, amount at the end of the third year is equal to 30,250 plus 3,025 is equal to 3,025 is equal to 33,275 find the compound interest, hence compound interest is equal to 33,275 minus 25,000 is equal to 8,275. It is right answer 8,275.